Dear students, I think you have solved problems of exercise 2.2. You are feeling difficult to understand statement problems. I'll solve statement problems now. That is 8.1. This is 8th question in exercise 2.2. See here, Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Now, Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water and Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Now, first we have to find quantity of water Vidya drink. Here it is given that Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. 2 by 5 of the water. 2 by 5, I told you, we are using of as a multiplication. So multiply the water. What is the quantity of the water there in the bottle? This is a 5-liter bottle. So quantity of water in the bottle is 5 liters. So into 5. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of 5-liter water. See here 5 ones are 5 ones are. 2 into 1 is 2 by 1, that is 2. So Vidya consumed 2 liters of water. What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Fraction of the total quantity of water Pratap drink. Vidya consumed 2 liters of water and Pratap consumed the remaining water. Remaining is 3 liters of water. So here asked what fraction of the water Pratap consumed. That is 3 liter out of 5 liters. So fraction is 3 by 5. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 liters of water. Pratap consumed 3 by 5 liter of water. See the next question. In 2.2, we don't have other statement problems. See exercise 2.3. The fifth one. Fifth one, I will solve now. Siley plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. What do you mean by sapling? This is a sapling, small plant. Now Sally plants 4 saplings. Here there are 4 saplings. The distance between two adjacent saplings, this distance is 3 by 4 meter, and distance between each adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Now you have to find the distance between the first and the last sapling. This first and the last sapling. What is the distance? Distance between the first and the last sapling is equal to the distance between two adjacent sapling is 3 by 4. See here 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. How many times 3 by 4 is there? 3 times. So you can add 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 and plus 3 by 4. You can add 3 by 4 3 times, or 3 times 3 by 4. You can multiply 3 by 4 by 3. Multiplication is a repeated addition. 3 by 4 you have to multiply by 3 because 3 by 4 it is there 3 times. So 3 into 3 9 by 4 meters. So distance between the first and the last sapling is 9 by 4 meter. See sixth one. Lipika reads a book for 1 3 by 4 hours every day. Every day she reads 1 3 by 4 hours. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? See, she reads a book 1 3 by 4 hours every day. She read the entire book for 6 days. Now, how many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Hours required to read the book for 6 days. For 6 days is equal to 1 day she reads for 1 3 by 4 hours into how many days? 6 days. 1 3 by 4 is for 1 day. So for 6 days into 6. Now convert this into improper fractions. 4 into 1 4 plus 3 7. 7 by 4 into 6. See here 6 and 4 are divisible by 2. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 7 3s are 21 by 2. You can convert into improper fraction. 21 by 2. 2 tens are 20. Remainder is 1. So 21 by 2 is equal to 10. 1 by 2. So 21 by 2 is equal to 10. 1 by 2. So she reads the book for 10 and a half hours for 6 days. See the next question. A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. A car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3/4 liters of petrol? 1 liter of petrol, it can cover 16 kilometer. So we have to find distance covered using 2 3/4 liters of petrol. That is equal to, for 1 liter 16 kilometer. For 2 3/4 liter, the distance covered is into 16. Now convert into improper. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 into 16. 4 1s are 4 4s are. So 11 4s are 44 kilometer. So car can travel 44 kilometer in 2 3/4 liter of petrol. So we have finished all the statement problems of 2.2 and 2.3.